I ved så, I don't think okay.
Okay, this is our presentation, and I will start. We have chosen to have about humans and space, and the human race have always looked into space and wondered what is up there. As early as 3500 BC, the Egyptians and Babylonians made space observations, which the archaeologists have found out, and people have always dreamt of getting into space, which have been possible the last 60, 70 years.
And the first man-made thing which was sent into space was the V2 rocket by the Nazi German. That happened in 1942. No, sorry. I don't know.
43.
Yeah, okay. And the V2 was used for killing in the Second World War. But then it was very, like, it could fly very precise and very far. So they like sent it up into space, and then they took pictures of the Earth the first time in 1946, which was kind of, it wasn't helping Germany in the war or something like that. It was just kind of a fight between Russia or Soviet Union and USA and Germany, who like had the best technology at that time. So yeah.
And then the first man in space is this guy, a very famous picture of Yuri Gagarin. The 12th of April 1961, he was the first man into space, and he was a Russian MiG fighter pilot and a cosmonaut. Yuri Gagarin, he orbited Earth one time, and it took him 108 minutes, and it was a great victory for the Soviet Union in the space race over USA, because they had like fights about who was the best and who had the best technology, and then getting the first man into space was a huge step. But then, of course, they got the first man on the moon, which was bigger than getting the first man into space.
Yeah, and that was on April the 12th in 1961 in the Cold War. So the USA won the second space battle, and in the 60s and 70s, it was the golden age of people traveling in space, and yeah, of course, it was the USA guy who
Neil Armstrong.
Yeah, who landed on the moon. He was the first person, and yeah.
And then finally, space travel in the future. So, because 60s and 70s, late 60s, early 70s were when people really, there were, I think, 10 different people on the moon. And now in the future, the next goal for the common now countries are joined, they want to go to Mars. And in 2004, the US administration announced that a manned journey to Mars is one of their major goals. And also, they are also having plans about later, maybe 2150 or something, settling on Mars and settling on the moons of Mars. The moons are called Phobos and Deimos, and they have also been mentioned before as places where, because if Earth gets too crowded and we have the technology, you can live there. In 2010, the president of US, Barack Obama, said that in the mid-30s it would be possible to send people to Mars, having the first manned expeditions on Mars, which could be, it'll be a huge step for humankind again. That's it.